Which brings us to today, day one of jury selection. 12 News' Hannah Hilliard joins us live from inside the federal courthouse this afternoon. And Hannah, jury selection, as we know, it's a tedious process. It's extremely detailed, but they were able to get it done on day one.
They sure did, Beleg. Just within the last hour, both the defense and prosecution agreeing on 14 jurors in this high-stakes case. They were just sworn in moments ago, and we again want you to take a look at the makeup of the jury. 9 men, 5 women. They all appear to be white. The questioning during today's juror selection, less about the jury pool's personal lives and more about their opinions on the federal government, immigration enforcement, and background on the case itself. As a reminder, cameras are not allowed in federal cases, so no audio or video, but we have hired a sketch artist who provided this first image from inside the courtroom. Defendant Judge Hannah Dugan sitting in the shadows of the 2 federal prosecutors who have charged her with obstruction and concealing a person from arrest. Now we also have a photo of, or a sketch from the second, from the afternoon that does show Dugan. She's second from the right there among her powerhouse legal defense team.
And really, Hannah, this just all speaks to the complexities of covering a federal trial. As you mentioned, no cameras inside the courtroom, obviously no recording, so that sketch artist really providing some commentary there. Hannah, a lot of the jury questioning happening privately in the judge's chambers, though.
Right, Blake. And Judge Dugan, she was able to sit in the judge's chamber and observe those conversations, but the public, including reporters, were not. So some local news outlets, including Hearst Television, which owns WISN 12 News, they did object to the legality of that. And ultimately, after a hearing, Judge Lynn Edelman, he did decide to allow an audio feed to be available of those conversations. Now that a jury is selected, a bit of logistics. Everyone involved in this case, they actually get the day off tomorrow, but they will all be back Monday morning for those opening statements.
And of course, we will be there every step of the way. Hannah Hilliard reporting live for us here at 4. We'll see you right back out here at 5. Hannah, thank you so much. The man at the center of Dugan's arrest was in court initially for a domestic violence case. He's no longer in the U.S., as 12 News has learned. Last month, the Department of Homeland Security announced Eduardo Flores Ruiz had been deported to Mexico. He agreed to the deportation as part of a plea deal for being in the country illegally.